Spies, have you ever wondered what might happen if two architects decided to get married, buy a tired 1930s Californian bungalow and do a renovation, or wonder no longer? Welcome to Stewart Street here in Ormond. Teller Clark Architects have done an incredible job in turning this old family home into what is really one of a kind. You can tell the moment that you walk through, this one is something special.
I just want you in my arms.
One of the first things that I notice when I walk through this home is everything feels intentional. And obviously, right, architects design and build a family home. Every square inch of this property has been thought out and designed with intention. Every window has an aspect to the gardens, textures, features, the light in this family home. It's unlike anything I've ever seen before. As you flow through this home, you will come to the heart and soul of this property, and that is the backyard and outdoor entertaining area. This is one of a kind, full of natural light, plenty of room for the kids, pool, cantilevered ceilings. This one is special. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for the perfect substantial family home in the heart of the McKinnon Secondary College Zone, a home that has heart and soul and one with intention, this is the home for you. I look forward to seeing you at our next Open for Inspection.